Okay, organizing and using your inbox. So in your school Gmail, and you know you're in your school because it's you up in this right-hand corner, um, all of your emails are coming in to here. So it's going to say who it's from, and this time it says me, but usually it would say Evershed. And I can see that HM has replied to my email because it's still in a bolded letter. Here I see the subject of the email, Google Meet Now, and then there's the rest of the email that I would have to open up to read the rest of it. So that's how you read whether someone's replied to you or not, and then you would have to click into that. Now, you guys are getting a lot of emails because every time I post something in the classroom, you get an update. So we're going to organize your email. We're going to go up here to settings, and I mean, you can look at that stuff later, but we're going to go to see all settings. And I'm going to move this out of the way now. And we're going to go to inbox. And primary is always clicked, but you're going to want to make sure you have updates. You don't need promotions. I've signed up for lots of other things as a teacher, so I keep those sorted over there. But updates. So you want to make sure you have primary and updates clicked, and then it will help sort your information. Make sure you go all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. So then afterwards, I went back to my inbox, and under my updates, I can see that this is everything that gets posted in the classroom. And for the teacher, I get a notice every time a message is posted as well. But every time a teacher makes a post or an assignment, it's all going to go to the update section. And in the primary, when I click the word primary, I can see it's underlined, it's switched over to here. This is when someone emails you directly. So maybe I've sent back a Google survey with the answers, it's going to be in here. I've sent you an email directly with your passwords, it's going to be in here. Or when I share a document, like the tech tips, or the when you're finished work, and when you find those files, you could put a star beside them because they're ones that you always want to go back to. And that's where if you go to your star folder, it's going to be the ones that you starred. You never want this to be too many because they're just your main important ones. Another thing to look at is when you're reading an email or you're looking for things, it always comes with a date and a time of when it came in, so you know how relevant that is.